The devil makes work for idle hands.
Hello boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick video today, just to give you a little bit of exhaust noise. One of the subscribers has asked for what they sound like. So they're Vance and Hines monster jewels to fit the switchback. They came all baffled up and everything. There's no real options for changing the baffles in these. So what I did is I took them out and I stripped out the wadding because I don't like quiet pipes. If you do, that's cool. It's up to you, personal preference. But for me, rather than sending them back and get something louder, I like the look of the pipes. So I just took off the end caps, stripped out the wadding, and put them back in. And I think they sound alright. So just bear with me. Here's a quick little clip. And there we have it, ladies and germs, just a quick little sound test. I'm not quite sure what the audio came out like, but we'll find out once we get to edit. Could be awful. Thank you very much for coming back, thank you very much for watching the channel, and thank you very much for those of you who are subscribed. If you haven't already, hit the button, you know what to do, and we'll see you soon. I hope you're doing well. Take care.